Happy Independence Day, dear viewers. As we gear up to celebrate this historic occasion, let's take a moment to explore some fascinating facts about India's Independence Day. Fact number 1. On 7th August 1906, during the Indian National Congress session held at the Parsi Bagan Square in Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta, the Indian flag with a blue color was hoisted for the first time. At that time, India was under British colonial rule, and the hoisting of the Indian flag symbolized the early stages of the Indian independence movement. Fact number 2. At the time of India's independence in 1947, the country did not have an official national anthem. On 24th January 1950, the President of the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, officially announced Jana Gana Mana as the national anthem of India. Fact number 3. During India's independence in 1947, the exchange rate between the Indian rupee and the US dollar was approximately 1 Indian rupee is equal to 1 US dollar. Additionally, the value of gold was approximately 88.6 to Indian rupees for 10 grams. Fact number 4. The decision to partition British India into India and Pakistan was indeed taken on 3rd June 1947, and it was executed on August 14th to 15th, 1947. Fact number 5. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic, and the current tricolor flag was officially adopted. The tricolor flag has 3 horizontal stripes: saffron, top, white, middle, and green, bottom. In the center of the white stripe, there is the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoked navy blue wheel, which replaced the spinning wheel that was used during the independence movement. Fact number 6. 5 countries celebrate their Independence Day on the same date as India, which is 15th August. These countries are Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Congo, and Liechtenstein. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these intriguing Independence Day facts. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, Jai Hind.